science buddies, welcome back to my science channel. Today we're going to do the elephant toothpaste in my big 5,000 milliliter cylinder. This is going to be very fun. So what you'll need is you will need yeast, dry yeast, and you'll need warm water, a little bit of sugar. You will need 2 whole bottles of hydrogen peroxide, and you will need dish soap. So we're going to get our water and dry yeast ready. So I'm gonna first pour our warm water in, take our yeast, then don't dump it in all at once. Just sprinkle it gradually, like this. We're gonna let it sit there. Now we're gonna add a bit of sugar. Now, I'm gonna come over to our hydrogen peroxide. I'm just gonna take the whole thing off because we're gonna use both of these since our big cylinder is 5,000 milliliters. We're gonna pour through it. So we'll just go glug, glug, glug. Looks like we're up to 2,000 milliliters. So next, we're gonna add our dish soap. This is what traps the gas and makes foam. Let's just go. And as you see, it's making it green because our dish soap is green. So I like to think of this as our big food coloring. Okay, what do you think will happen when we pour our yeast in? Do you think that it will bubble up and make foam or something? Or will it do something crazy and explode all over the room and maybe even hit the cameras? Well, there's only one way to find out. Experiment. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna pour this quickly. Oh, look at that. It's rising. Oh my goodness. Rising. Up. Up, up, all the way up to 4,500 milliliters. Oh my gosh, it's up to it. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, it's getting up, up. Oh, what do you think will happen? I'm gonna step. Oh my goodness. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Oh, it's about to it looks like, oh, whoa, this is so cool. It's like the coolest thing ever. Bloom, 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 bloom. It's overflowing, over. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. The yeast is breaking the hydrogen peroxide apart and making gas. The gas gets stuck in the soap and that makes foam. This is definitely enough toothpaste for an elephant. Maybe even more because we did it in our big cylinder. It's huge! I hope you had fun with this experiment. Thanks for doing science with me. Don't forget to check out all of my other episodes and like, subscribe, and share. Make every day a